Hello students, so we have learned the concept of CSS, that is cascading style sheet. Now let's learn the types of selectors, that is the first one is ID selector. Now let's see some information about ID selector. What is ID selector? ID selector selects the ID attribute of an HTML element to select a specific element. That means we can select a specific element at a time to apply the different effects to the text. Then second one, it is always a unique element. So ID selector is always an unique element. And the third and very important thing, that when we define ID selector, then always before the selector name we have to use the hash sign. So always this sign, it is present on your keyboard. So always hash sign is used to define the ID selector. In your 12th standard online examination, it is given in the fill in the blanks that dash sign defines ID selector. So the answer is hash sign defines the ID selector. So here the hash sign is used to define this particular type of selector, that is the ID selector. Now here it is used for the specific elements, then it is also known as the unique element, and the hash sign is used. Now let's see the example of writing the ID selector. How to write the ID selector? Now you know the internal CSS. What are the rules for the internal CSS? That is, a style tag is used within the head and slash head tag. So here the first starting of your HTML program is always a doc type HTML. Then after that you have to start with the HTML tag. Then the first section is defined, which is known as the head section, and write down the title in the head section as ID selector. After writing the title, close it with slash title. Now after this, the main important tag for the internal CSS is used, that is style type is equal to text slash CSS. So you have to define this style tag to write the selector. Now after this, we are going to define it. So hash and write down any name which you want for defining the ID. So suppose my ID name is ABC, so I will write hash ABC. Now after that, what is the syntax or format for writing the CSS? That is, always the properties are always enclosed within the curly parenthesis. So here curly bracket, suppose the first property I will use, we have seen the properties also. So text dash align colon center. That means whatever text you will define for the ID selector, that will get aligned into the center. And the second thing, suppose I want to define the color as a blue, so I will write the color as blue. So here these are the two properties which I have defined. The first one is alignment as center, and second one is color colon blue. Then after that, close it with slash style and then close it with slash head. So here your first section is over. Now here I have defined ABC as a selector name, ID name. So now this I have to use in my main section, that is in body section, as I will write P ID is equal to ABC. Now here whatever name for the ID I have given, the same name you will use in the paragraph tag, that is ID is equal to ABC. Now whatever text you want to define the text. For example, I want to write the welcome text, and then I will close it with slash P. So here this tag is used to define your ID name. So same name I am using here in the ID as well as in the ID. So here after this, close it with slash body and then close it with your slash HTML. Now after writing this program, you have to save this program with the id.html and you have to run this program in Internet Explorer. After running this program in Internet Explorer, so here suppose this is your Internet Explorer screen. So here when you run the program is executed. First the head tag is executed and then the body tag is executed. First it will identify the hash sign and the name of the ID. Then it finds the name in your program. So here ABC. The welcome text is given. For the welcome text, whatever properties are given, that is alignment center and the color blue. So your welcome name will be aligned to the center of your first line, top line, and the color for this welcome will be blue. So this is the way to define the ID selector.